Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the R4 model and firmware. This matters because different boards behave differently. Once done, copy every file from the SD card to your computer and make a separate backup. Do not skip this. You should also confirm that any update or fix you pursue is legal in your jurisdiction, because you must not attempt to disable safety features or bypass protections. Make sure batteries and card readers work correctly before proceeding. Next, focus on legitimate manufacturer-provided fixes, download firmware or recovery tools only from the official source. You must verify integrity, compare checksums or signatures so you avoid corrupted or malicious files. If an official repair tool exists, follow its documented steps. If it refers to reformatting, back up again, then proceed. Avoid third-party hacks or dodgy utilities, because attempting to remove built-in safeguards often causes permanent device failure. To finish, restore your files only after the official update completes and the device confirms normal operation. If you encounter problems, stop and contact the vendor or seller for warranty support rather than attempting circumvention. One practical troubleshooting tip: try a different SD card reader or another computer to rule out simple transfer errors. Many issues are caused by faulty readers, not the board itself. Remember, you should not attempt to remove safety features or bypass protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.